The universe began, an explosion of energy in every direction, every atom constantly moving forward with an intention, form evolving. A vast organism composed of galaxies spreads into the abyss of space. A signature of energy perpetually manifesting itself through differing cosmological structures, evolving over an incomprehensible timescale. Unique systems of matter, revolving around the stars of this raw energy, give rise to each planet's own identity. Amidst the infinite possibilities, our Earth is a living entity, a branch of the universe's chain reaction. The chemicals that compose our planet are constantly reacting. The weather systems of the whole world fluctuate in time with our orbit around the sun and the daily cycle of night and day, as our Earth spins around its axis. This rhythm is embedded in all the life it will come to flow through, a repeating pattern which will come to regulate the biological cycles of all its future forms, each one part of the spectrum of the reaction of all